What up, everybody? This is Tom Hubbard with H2 Hub, and this is the H2 Hydrate from the company Qlife. Currently, this product has gone through our testing and evaluation here at H2 Hub. It has passed and met our standards, so therefore it'll be recommended and approved by us. So you'll be seeing this product soon on our website, but we wanted to go ahead and open up the packaging and see how it looks, right? And actually how it's going to come to your home. Qlife always does such a good job with the packaging. So let's go ahead and do a little unboxing video and check this product out. So once again, this is the H2 Hydrate. It is a hydrogen water pitcher. There's different types of hydrogen water devices on the market, from hydrogen water bottles, hydrogen water tablets, and then you have larger capacity devices, larger water volume capacity type devices like this hydrogen water pitcher. And what you'll see here is on the back side of this, you will actually see some details talking about the product itself, some specs, and some things like that. That's going to be kind of some important information. And then let's go ahead and open it up. So I'm going to open this up. Oh, I want to show you this. This is pretty cool. So they actually, let me turn this around. Hopefully you guys can see this, but they actually have a little diagram in the inside showing you a couple different components of the product itself, kind of like a little quick user guide right here. So that's pretty cool. So let's go ahead and get into it. Now, take this off. This is the product itself. It actually comes with a 2-liter capacity pitcher, and then it has here on the lid, it has a open and close switch for the dispensing spout. It also has another port here at the top of the lid to be able to take this off and add water into the pitcher easily. And so that's pretty cool. You can actually take this lid off. Let me get this lid off really quickly. There we go. You can take the lid off, and what you'll see here in the inside of this hydrogen water pitcher are 2 hydrogen electrolytic cells. These are going to be PEM cells, and so it will be able to produce pure 99.99% hydrogen gas, dissolve it into your preferable drinking water, whether you drink RO water or whether you drink just spring filtered water or whatever water you prefer to drink. You can put it into this hydrogen water pitcher, and it will diffuse hydrogen gas into it. I should say infuse hydrogen gas into the water itself up to therapeutic concentrations. And you can always check out our test report on what we tested this device at. This will also come with a 1-button functionality. And so this is the power button, but also it allows you to select the cycle time for how long you want the system to run to produce hydrogen gas. It has a 10-minute cycle time, and then it has a 20-minute cycle time. The 20 minutes is going to get you a little bit more hydrogen. It dissolves in our testing roughly around about 40% more hydrogen gas dissolved into the water at the 20-minute cycle. But to be able to select the 10 or the 20, you just tap the button once. And then if you wanted to run a 20-minute cycle, you tap the button twice. And then that's it, man. It's a pretty simple device. They have a USB Type-C charging port. And the another cool thing about this product is that it actually comes with a battery chamber here at the bottom, and it has replaceable batteries. So you can actually take this out and replace the batteries in here. That way, if it were to ever fail due to its battery pack, you could contact Qlife and they can walk you through the steps of getting a new battery pack and actually put it into your system and ensure it's going to work for you. The last thing I'm going to talk about is the actual display here, which will show your cycle time, how long the system is running. And that's it, man. So this is the product itself. Pretty cool device. Hydrogen water pitchers have been on the market for a long time, but hasn't been a lot of really good ones that have been produced. And this one qualifies as a good hydrogen water pitcher. So I'll set this back in here. Let's see. Next, this is just the AC power pack, and then its charging cords are going to be in this little packaging right here. And then lastly, we'll go over is the user manual. This comes with the product itself, and it has all the basic ins and outs to the product. important details, and showing you how to do a quick start guide, showing all the basic components of the product. And that's it. So this was kind of like the unboxing for this device. It's a really good product, met our testing, and if you are a person interested in a larger volume capacity, and want to have want to match your hydration with your hydrogen intake, this might be a really good option for you. A lot of the hydrogen water bottles that are on the market, even the qualified good ones, have a pretty small water volume, typically around 7 to 10 ounces of water. And so if you want to actually have a larger capacity device, this would be a real good device to look at. So that's it. This is, like I said, the H2 Hydrate from Qlife. You interested in actually getting one of these, you can always go to h2hub.com and you can see our approval page for it and look at our test results and be able to get you one. Alrighty, catch you next time.